So as of today, nagkaroon po kasi kami ng tracking from December 26 to December 31 to note yung mga humahabol dun sa consolidation. So as of this time, we already have 76% or 145,721 in terms of the units, ano po. For UB Express and PUJ, for UB Express, nasa 82% na po yung consolidation rate. And for the PUJ, that's 73.96%. Ano po? In terms of the NCR, kasi everybody is interested in the NCR. Ito po sila yung may pinakamalaking humabol na numbers or applicants for consolidation. Ano po? When we started reporting in early December or late November, yung nakikita niyong datos or pinapakita sa inyo is basically around 36%. Ano? We would like to note that as of today, si NCR po ay nasa level na ng 51% for PUJ and 59% for UB Express. That is based on the total number of franchise. But when we try to look at the data also of NCR, there's also that data that says number of confirmed units. Ibig sabihin, yung tinatanong kanina, kung ilan ba po talaga yung merong kaukulang papel to really run. Either they're registered, they were confirmed, and they have the valid franchise. Nung pinagbangga po natin yung data, ano po, yung ilan na yung nag-consolidate dun sa na-confirm at merong rehistro for the current years, ay nasa 97% almost na yung mga PUJ. Meaning to say, yung mga na-confirm natin na mga units, yung mga units na nairehistro ni LTO, kumpara dun sa nag-consolidate, tayo po ay nasa 21,655 because there are only 22,284 confirmed units for PUJs. And for the level naman ni UB Express, ganun din po, nasa 100% na rin almost yung consolidation when we try to look at the figures of confirmed units.